Yo, welcome to the Twilight Zone. What's up? Thank God it is Friday, winners. What's up? What's up? What's up, fellas? Oh, I'm finna go off today. Give y'all some info. When some more people come in here. I ain't waiting for a whole lot. A few more people I just text. But let me go and get to the nitty gritty, okay? Let me go and say this like I said before. Uh we run this child support shit and we ain't giving it back. Okay. Sham stoppers, we really do. When they say we run this child support shit, we really do. I'm gonna tell you why. Me, since 2000 and what was it, 2009, 2010, I went to paralegal school, right? Stayed there for 2 years, right? Told them old hoes, there was a bunch of bitches in there. I told them, bitch, I said, I'm gonna help niggas get off of child support. They ain't like me, they had it out for me. Okay? These bitches couldn't even do math. I was doing a math homework, nigga. I know some of y'all heard this, but I'm gonna just reiterate it. You know what I mean? Because guess what? You got people on this platform or this app, right? Telling you a bunch of sovereign citizen bullshit, right? That don't even fucking work. And I know it don't work, right? And you got niggas on here telling you to agree and get along with your baby mama because they a deal with the bitch, right? I'm not that type of dude. I don't talk to the children of my mothers. We don't have shit to talk about. Nothing. Nothing. Went to court for the first bitch, didn't go to the court for the second bitch. Didn't have to. Did not have to. I watched the process server stand outside because it's a law that states that you can stay your ass in the house and not be served. Motherfuckers don't know this. You know what I mean? Now let me start with number one. Being a sovereign citizen, doing sovereign citizen shit. And you know what the sovereign citizen shit is. I'm a living man. Motherfucker, they know you're living because they sent you the mail. What, they gonna send the mail to the fucking graveyard? Number two, agreeing with the bitch. Number three, still in love with the bitch. Number four, not knowing how to read and fucking comprehend. That is the most biggest thing going on while niggas is on child support, because I can read, but nigga, can you comprehend what you're reading? Because a lot of dudes talking about, man, this stuff is hard. I don't understand legalese and all this old stuff, right? To me, the shit is simple because I've been doing this shit for a long time. Even the niggas that's trying to do child support, help niggas get off, I got screenshots and all that, emails asking me for books to read, right? Right. I already did the exposing on niggas. Let me keep going. Number five, you don't know what's on the fucking record. Because the bitch and filed the affidavit and lied on you, which is slander. She lied on you and said you ain't a good father. You ain't giving her no money. You abandoned her. You either beat her. And all these hoes making these domestic violence shit, ain't got no police report, none of that. You can sue these old stanky ass hoes for that. Number six, you didn't rebut none of their funky ass presumptions of what I just said. Number seven, you let them run you over when you go to court. Because guess what? Y'all ready for this? You can object. You can write an answer to court. You can go in there and tell them this and that. And I'm going to tell you something. I done seen niggas get ran over. And they still order child support. So it don't matter if you go or not. They going to test your pedigree. They want to see if you a man. Especially now we in these times, there ain't no money circulating like talking about. Number eight, you don't know the law and you listen to people who don't know what they talking about. Like when people talking about this and that, you evading service. Ain't no such thing as fucking evading service. You can refuse service. Have y'all seen that in these fucking businesses? They reserve the right to refuse service. They're not gonna tell you that though. You can reserve the right to refuse any type of service, nigga. You don't have to take nothing from nobody. Number nine, signing the contract and not getting rid of it. You can change your mind if you sign a child support contract and say, hey, this ain't working out for me. I ain't getting no benefit. She getting the benefit because you want to know why? Because a bitch files for divorce. She breaks the contract with the fucking state, nigga. And she go, that's what I'm saying. They know a lot of niggas ain't men. Number 10, not answering or objecting to the summons. Number 11, hanging around people who are illiterate and can't fucking read. What the fuck you hanging around niggas for who can't fucking read and are literate? Who don't, what I mean by that, you already said that, Wasil, niggas who don't know the law. Why you gonna be around a nigga who don't know the law and you don't know the law either? So guess what's gonna happen? Both of you niggas gonna be snitching on each other. That's what the fuck gonna happen. Y'all gonna be snitching on each other. Real talk. It's some more reasons on here. It is some more reasons on here why niggas on child support. Letting shit linger. Letting shit fester. Sit up there. If you don't know something, go get some help. Fellas, I didn't move from another state to run from child support. Child support is a fucking business, nigga. Because I know it's a business. And I know how to tell them no. And guess what? I'm not willing to die for this shit. I'm willing to kill for this shit. I'm willing to kill for my freedom. You got all these stupid ass niggas. I'm willing to die for my freedom. When you go ahead and die then, nigga. I'm willing to defend myself for my freedom, nigga. By any means necessary. A lot of niggas ain't down for that cause. A lot of niggas go in court and get ran over. A lot of niggas I'm gonna tell you something. If you fearful, if you got fear in your body and your heart, you're gonna get advice from a nigga that's fearful, right? You're gonna seek help from a nigga that's fearful. That's the laws of attraction. You're gonna attract who you are. If you're a scary nigga, you're gonna attract another scary nigga. Real talk. It makes no sense because people are always saying, "Hey man, I didn't know." You do know. You fucking know. Now we're gonna do the podcast on the live. On the live courts. We're gonna do that. Okay. Stop talking to the bitch. Stop it. Stop fucking with niggas who can't read. Just stop it, man. Just stop it. And another thing, y'all ready for this? This is the number one. You can only be on child support if you want to, and you keep saying it's your case, my case, my child support case, my case. It ain't your case, it's her case. She the one with the caseworker, nigga, not you, unless you agree to it. If she signed the obligation, you have no obligation, okay? The bitch ain't no good. She done spoil your kids. You know what the word spoil means? Spoil means rotten. She spoil your kids rotten with bullshit in their head. She don't use that money for them children. None of that. That goes to her new nigga or some nails or some weed or going out to the movies. You know what I mean? I bet you if niggas start whooping people's asses, child support would disappear overnight. This is insane, man. We in 2023 and people still struggling with something that is so simple. Child support is simple. It ain't made simple, it's simple. It's either yes, you want to pay it, or no, you won't pay it. That's it. This shit is simple, man. You seen the live the other day? Yes, Kevin B. ABG in the house, and winners don't quit. You know what I mean? Now, winners don't quit. Guess what happened to him? You cannot consolidate when you're going to get parenting time and custody. You cannot consolidate that with child support. You cannot do that. Custody and child support are separate. They fucked up. See, certain people get certain things. You know what I mean? Everybody's shit ain't the same. Everybody's case ain't the same. You have to object. You have to put in the answer, right? And if you want to show up, show up. It's on you. Because I done seen court cases where people put in suits on people and they didn't even get these people a hearing. And they just threw their shit out. That ain't equal protection of the law. I done seen people get ran over and they did the correct stuff. They gonna test who you are. They get your social security number and they test who you are. They look up, they see what you got warrants, they do a whole background check on you. And you know how they get the shit? The dumb bitch that you fuck. She go down there and she snitch. I don't feel sorry for no bitch who getting popped or killed out here. Because they out here lying, doing this Me Too movement and all this shit, talking about people raped them about 70 years ago and ain't got no police report, no nothing. And then they using these sucker ass athletes and superstars talking about they got to pay child support, so can you? Well, shit, if I got to pay child support, tell them give me some of their money then. See, they know who to play with. Look, the child support agency know who to play with, know who not to play with. Because there's some niggas off record that told them people, hey, man, you fuck with my stuff, I'm going to kill you. I know some niggas that told them, hey, man, don't bother my stuff. I'm going to kill your ass if you fuck with my stuff. Because that's all I got. They know who to fuck with. So, fellas, checklist. Here's the checklist. Sovereign citizen shit. Stay away from that. Agreeing with the bitch. Still in love with the bitch. Not knowing how to read. Not knowing what's on the record. Right? Not rebutting their presumptions. You let them run you over. You don't know the law. You listen to people who don't know it either. Signing shit that you don't even read. You read over. You just sign it freely. Right? See, let me tell you something about my first baby mama's case. See how I said that? My first baby mama's case. I signed the contract and I read it because I ain't want him to have nothing to do with it because I thought I was doing the right thing. Right? Because you still got fools up here talking about doing the right thing. Fuck that, nigga. Fuck the right thing. You got to do things the correct way. So I had to correct myself and I got rid of that contract. I took my signature back. Whatever you put your signature on, you can take that shit back. I.e., don't the landlord do that when you can't pay the rent? You can break a lease, right? You can, if a bitch can get rid of a marriage contract, rescind her signature of a marriage contract, you can do any contract like that in this world. They do it all the time. You got the records doing contracts, record label, all that shit, nigga. Your signature is your property. Now, head supervisor for child support told me that they will not be contacting me anymore. Now I have to check the BM in court and these magistrates. What's up, Kevin B? See this? Look, this is a client right here, Kevin B. Winning that bitch, winning court, stood his ground, right? And they got mad. He stood his ground. He didn't sign nothing. He didn't agree with nothing. And they tried to put him on child support. So, fellas, this is let this be a lesson to y'all. You can go and you cannot go. Stop listening to these old niggas on the internet with Napoleon complexes, nigga. You got a nigga that's trying to teach child support with the Napoleon complex, nigga. Running from state to state like a little bitch. I ain't running from now, motherfucker, nigga. I got car flippers over here. Everybody need to keep their hands to themselves. That's the shit I'm on. And guess what? Another thing, fellas. You know y'all got the biggest trump card in this child support arena. Those are your fucking children, nigga. You can tell them, hey, man, leave my fucking child alone. Leave my child out of this. If my child, it ain't about my child, why am I here for? If it's not about my son or my daughter, why am I here? Shout out to Kevin B and this bitch. He said that they will not be contacting him anymore. That's gonna be one of the greatest testimonies on YouTube, nigga. And he the only one in his state to do that. His baby mama didn't take him off. His baby mama didn't take him off. He was the only one in his whole state getting kickback for fucking with sham stoppers. And now they trying to kiss his ass. Yes. He got them on their ass right now. All y'all gotta do is take a step and this shit is over with. Stop, and then I'm gonna tell you something too, y'all. Stop hanging around people who talking about, man, you gotta pay child support, man. I pay. Don't hang around no nigga who paying child support. Because he gonna call you a deadbeat. He gonna get mad because he paying like a fucking idiot. I don't fuck with no nigga that pays child support. I'm talking about over here, my friendly level. I don't have no friends that pay child support over here. None. Not one, nigga. So let this be a lesson, fellas. Let this be a lesson today. Stop thinking negative towards yourself. Stop saying, man, I don't know if I'm going to be child support. I don't think this going to happen. Because the good book says, so a man thinketh, so is he. And life and death lies in the power of the tongue. So that's when I tell y'all to stop saying it's your case. Life and death lies in the power of the tongue. It's in Proverbs. What you say shall come to pass, or come to life, or come to tuition, or manifest it. You can manifest things with your mouth right now, fellas. Remember this, fellas. I'd rather be a deadbeat than be dead broke for a bitch and a child who don't love me. Cause guess what, fellas? You can have all your money to yourself, crying, wiping your tears with them dollars and them $100 bills, right? And guess what? You can find somebody to come along and love you. Okay? You got nuts still in your nut. You can make another baby. Or you can become a savage out here, go get you an apartment, find you 5 or 6 bitches and go make them do OnlyFans and make a huge come up and do you some e-pimping. Yeah, because I ain't got no child support cases. Because I ain't signed for no application, aka food stamp application, aka credit card application. Hey, man, please. A credit card application and a child support application is the same fucking thing. You're borrowing money. It's for credit. Shit. Well, man, y'all have a good fucking afternoon. Thank God it's Friday. Look out for Monday live court. Monday or Tuesday for live court. Peace.